Guess what is this? Is it a natural beauty only? Do you know the science behind it? Let us see. These water waves are the perfect example of combination of longitudinal and transverse waves. Wave is a disturbance that carries energy from one place to another place without actual movement of particles. Longitudinal and transverse are the two types of waves. Transverse waves travel in form of crest and troughs, and longitudinal waves carry compressions and rarefactions. A wave is transverse if particles are vibrating perpendicular to the wave propagation, and longitudinal if particles are vibrating in the same directions.